And it's a pleasure, and we're great to choose Bastana as your partner in walking at your dream or making your dream house come true. Okay. By the way, before we move on or formally start voting, we ask everybody to please stand up as we have the prayer to be led by.
Kapag tinawagan ko sila na sa Pangasinan kasi, so napakabilis ng project natin kasi kailan lang kayo kumuha. Then, ngayon, ito na ma'am, itatayo na po. Kaya, tuloy-tuloy na rin to with the help of our architect at saka ng technical team. So, congratulations po ulit ma'am. Enjoy the rest of the event po. Thank you.
EDC, it's not Sarah, I don't know who Sarah is. Good morning po, and thank you everyone for doing this. At saka thank you for Bastana for trusting us as well, kasi alam naman natin hulugan pa rin. Thank you po for supporting our dreams. Yun lang.
Yay!
Ay, ano bilang po tayo ng 1, 2, 3, go! Abigail breaking!
Yeah!
Ayan. Tapos yung naman po, isabog nyo doon sa may tato.